Guys, so I've just done a mini project right now. This is my aloe vera plant. Bless it, it's growing really high. At some point I have found out that I can trim the trunk. I call it the trunk, this part. So if I trim it up to about here and then insert that into the soil, that should regrow again without the trunk, because this has fallen over quite a couple of times now. So I've trimmed some of the leaves off, which I've wrapped here, and then I have put more soil in there. As you can see, in there I've got these sticks here that support, bamboo sticks that support it, and this ribbon from falling and growing all over the place, but it's growing really tall right now. I am going to try and use this aloe leaf on my hands. That's what I'm going to do with it first, because I have got quite dry hands, so I'm going to do that. The second project is this is my poor little, what are these called, green onion shoots. I had basically I had bought a bunch of green onions, cut the ends off the little bottom, and I redug them, and yeah, they have started growing, but these ones are quite limb. I've got some outside in the garden. That one's growing better, but I feel like that one's just gonna die because of the rain. This one I keep inside the house. So there was this kind of, can you see at the bottom, this onion, you know how you get the little, this stuff on your onions, it's just basically that was growing all around them. So I have took them off, and hopefully these should grow. I just feel like I need to water them more, which I'm currently not doing. The aloe vera plant is easier to look after because you don't need to really water it. But yeah, this is my second green thumb kind of project. So yeah, I've just been doing that and sorting those plants out, which I haven't done in so long. And now I have got to sort out the washing. I've put the kettle on so I can have a coffee, which I'm really getting into. But yeah, let me sort out the washing. So I've done it for 12 minutes. I've put the dryness level up. This thing is dying. Can someone explain to me why this is happening? Daddy bought Jannat some Nike shoes, and we have tried them on. She bought them a little while ago, and they're size 6.5, and I've got a pair as well. So I'm not going to wear my pair until she wears hers. And we've just tried them on, and they're still a little bit loose, but she can actually still wear them if she wants to, because at the moment she's say a 5.5, I would say, and these are 6.5, so they're a bit too big still. But they're so cute that we have matching trainers. These are what they are, Nike Revolutions, black and pink. I mean, if they were like, we bought them from Sports Direct, but I wouldn't recommend shopping at Sports Direct because they don't do refunds. So yeah. Okay, this is the normal setup that I have behind. Well, this isn't normal, but this is what I have behind me when I'm filming, and this is just ridiculous now. I can see it like dust because I haven't touched this area in such a long time. I've just thrown away a little mini, should I get it out? It's deep in the bin, I'm not gonna get it out. I've thrown away one of those little mini Primark scented things, smelly things with the sticks in them. I've got this one which someone gifted to me quite a little while back. It's a Renew Ylang and White Rose reed diffuser. That's what they call reed diffusers. Duh. So yeah, that's what it is. So I'm gonna put this one out, but in order for me to put this out, I'm gonna have to clean up the space, which I'm going to do right now. By the way, don't ask me why those plates are here. Actually, I will tell you, Jenna loves playing with these. I bought them with a cake in there, or was it a donut in there from work, and she's just been playing with them ever since. So she just plays with rubbish. This drink, I'm pretty sure the colour has changed and expired, so I'm gonna get rid of it. Are you going downstairs? Ooh, let's have a look. Yeah, Jenna, you want to see that? Let's see you running. Where's she going? Yeah, oopsies. Yeah, she still needs to get used to them. You got Peppa Pig. Yeah, you have. She'll get used to it. I think they're too big for her, you know. So yeah, I'm just going to tidy this space up. I got my bananas, keep my bananas here because they get nice and ripe in my room for some reason. So I just grab one for when I'm going to work. And then I'm going to tidy the rest. I've still got some Christmas cards left over from Christmas. Need to get rid of those. This is my box of samples. I've got some Christmas labels as well. Gosh. Okay, I'm going to tidy this space up. See you guys in a bit. Okay guys, I am practically done. I have got my these are my Makeup Revolution MUA lipsticks from way back. I still use them every now and then. I do check them and I do smell them, and if I think they smell funky then I'll throw them away. But this is, I barely use it, let's say, but I just love having that there. At the moment it's just basically like a little decor piece, and then I've got my bunch of pencils and stuff. I need to organise that, but it's not going to happen today. My two perfumes, I don't really like the smells of these, so they're just basically decor pieces again. My lipsticks, Jenna, I need to put that there so I know Jenna will eat it. She got that for Christmas. These things are absolutely rubbish, but I still keep it there just in case, because at the moment I can't light any candles because of Jenna, because I'm just scared she's going to get burnt. So yeah, actually I need to get those whiteboard pens out of there and take them to work, because we just have terrible whiteboard pens at work. I'm just going to leave these all have knickknacks and my jewellery and stuff in there. And then these are my few books and my letters that I need to, like, this is pretty good. Oh, spot stickers, anybody? But this I have organised and it is fine. These are just my notebooks that I write on. I've got some liquid lipsticks in here. Kat Von D stuff I bought off AliExpress and things. They're fine. I don't know what to do with these headphones. They work, but then the ones I don't use anymore, like these Sony ones, are absolutely tattered, but they still work, so I don't think I can bring myself to throw them away unless anybody wants them. And then I've just got this little pile of rubbish to sort out. Jenna's lollipops, I have to always hide them from her because I just do not want to deal with the aftermath of eating lollipops. I tend to get her these powder ones because they don't get sticky. I've got a sample here of Dr. Jart's ceramide line. Can't wait to use that actually. I forgot I had that. This liquid lipstick I forgot I had as well from Rimmel. I bought this from Poundland a while back, and it is this really nice purple shade. Can you believe this? These are like £6-7 and they were in Poundland. But yeah, this is all I've got left to deal with. I'm gonna do it. Okay, so I've just opened it and this actually looks quite fancy. Let's take the cardboard out. Ooh. Doing this one-handed. So there's a piece of cardboard in there. You've got your little sticks here. These look cute. And then I don't know why sticks are cute, but yeah, when that happens. So don't mind the dirty stuff. But this is what it looks like. How cool is that? I do love the smell of roses. Some people don't like it, but I love it. So I'm gonna just set this up and then I'll show you. So this battery pack thing is messing up with me today. Don't know why it keeps falling, so I'm just gonna leave it. But yay, that is cute. So this is the setup. Ignore the candle thing, and then nice. Get rid of that bunch of sweets.
All right. Well, I should hope so.
Or was it right? I think it was right. I'm not quite sure.
Hey guys, from the car. You guys haven't seen me here for a while, or at all to be fair. I don't know why when I look in the mirror my eyebrows seem fine, and then I look in different lightings and they look weird. I'm just having problems with eyebrows again. But yeah, I was having issues with my eyeliner as well because I have two that have run out, and the only reason why they've run out is because they were a leaky mess when I bought them. So that's the L'Oreal one, you know, it has that weird top, that one, and then there's another one that was being really weird. It's the Essence one. That one's leaking all over the place as well, and it bleeds as well. So the line bleeds. I don't know if you can see that. Look how terrible that looks. But yeah, I even forgot to put a lipstick on too. I've already got lip liner on, and this lip liner I really like. It's Maybelline one. I might wear this Pacific lip balm that I showed you guys in a little, you know, those little what are they called? They're not stories. So just adds a nice bit of colour, and it is hydrating, which I really like because my lips have been super chapped. This is in the shade Salmon. I did a little reel type thing on YouTube, I don't know what we call them, but yeah, that's that. And yeah, we're going to Asda to pick up some things. I didn't really want to go shopping because the weather's terrible. It's really rainy and drizzly and just not nice, but I think I've held out too long, and there's just stuff I really need to get, so I'm just gonna go Asda. I'll probably pop into Poundland. I need to get something from not Home Bargains, Primark, just a thing or two, we'll see. But yes, I will see you guys later. Catch you then. Okay, we've been done our shopping, so we bought some orange juice. Jenna loves snacking on waffles. They're gone to 155 though. That's a bit expensive, but we still got them. My husband wanted to get kiwis today. He was just being so frustrating while we were shopping. We found some sweet potatoes, 32p each. We bought 2 bags. Nice. Jenna loves grapes. These are the yogurts that I get for work, and those are the ones I feed her. She likes them. Okay, we've got 1 loaf of bread. I got some crisps. Actually need to put these in the car. French fries, they're for work. Walkers for work. This is a share bag for me and my husband. You know, when you get a share bag, it's bad news because you know you're going to eat most of it. Quavers 6-pack, so those are for Jannah. I bought myself some latte. I just need coffee now all the time, at least once a day actually. And then I've got these nice, what are they called? What are these called? Bagels. Baguettes with 10p. And then I was lucky enough to find a tiger one. Nice. And that's all we got. That's the fastest Asda haul I've ever done. Well, I don't even know why I expect myself to be like this, but I know that I can't go into Primark without picking up things, but I still did it again, and I even told you guys that I wouldn't, but I did. So let me just show you guys what we got. My husband was adamant on getting this laundry bag. I think it's just a waste. I don't think we really need it, but he was so adamant on getting it. I was like, okay, fine. It's for Jenna's clothes when we bring them up and down. This bag was a £5 and it's foldable, which is okay, I guess. And then I picked up some leggings for Jenna. These were £3.50 for 2 because she has these tops that just nothing will go with unless they are jeans or black leggings. So, and we wanted to be comfortable because jeans are quite tight fitting as well, so that's why I opted for the leggings. Let's see how that goes with some of the tops that she has. Then I picked myself up some joggers, but I bought them from the men's section. These are 2XL. I'm hoping they will fit me. But I need some new joggers. Well, I need an extra pair of joggers that I can just wear to what am I saying? To pee in school days. So this one. It's 2XL, £8. It has a back pocket. I don't know how I feel about that. I don't think I like that, but okay. And then obviously can't go wrong. Obviously always need cotton rounds. Jenna's bought her some cute headbands. Hopefully she likes them and she wears them. And then I bought her a bath sponge. This is a Minnie Mouse one. How cute. Because we don't actually scrub her body and she's really got dirty knees from crawling all the time. And I bought this blush for my sister. Bought this blush for my sister. It's one of my favorites. And I picked up the raved about foundation, or should I say the foundation that's got a lot of hype at the moment. This is £6. I bought it in the shade Toffee because I know that shade kind of suits me. So maybe I'll do a review on this. Let me know if you want me to do that. It says it's luminous finish with wild pansy and rose extract. I do like rose, and it's SPF 20. let me know if you want a review on that. And that was everything I bought from Primark. My husband works in a restaurant, so I'm very, very lucky that I get food for a discount. So we got pizza, and we call this platter. Oh, hot, but it's hot. Hot? Was that hot? Yeah, I'll give you some. It's hot though. Platter, which is like little nibbles of fried stuff, which is delicious. It's hot, but so we're gonna eat that. Yum yum yum. I've already taken a bite of nugget. Delicious.